Don't miss a moment of the drama, passion, and performances that define Nigerian Idol.
That was truly a remarkable performance.
Today, you are the best performer so far.
There's a light inside there somewhere. Like, don't be shy to shine.
It's like you grow more confident every single week.
Tune in this Sunday at 7 p.m. to see who rises to the challenge and who says their final farewell. Sundays at 7 p.m. West African time. Nigerian Idol, exclusive to DSTV and GoTV.
Proudly sponsored by Techno, Stop at Nothing, and Biggie for every moment.